Hey guys, welcome back to the CryptoJobs YouTube channel. I'm your host, and today we're doing a crucial update on VeChain, or VET. As you can see from our charts, we're awaiting a bullish breakout on the daily chart. The structure is looking great, with the price consolidating and getting ready for a big move. I'm seeing a potential 15 to 20% pump incoming. For those who don't know, VeChain is a robust blockchain ecosystem aimed at revolutionizing supply chain management and business processes. It has real-world utility and partnerships with major companies like Walmart China. The technicals are aligning with a bullish outlook, and the market sentiment is positive. Now, before you go, I want to talk about how you can take your trading to the next level with me. I'm running a copy trading challenge on BingX right now, where I'm working to turn a $1,000 account into $10,000. You can follow along with every trade. The link to my profile is in the description below. And of course, don't forget to join my communities. We've got the free Telegram channel for all my quick updates and market insights, and my free VIP group for even more setups and a closer look at my trading strategy. The links for both are right in the description. Peace out.